Hello in lo dam chai thing pui hoàn kal na pui na chan karon vlog do na
sui lung palo te kapana lo zella boy te tu dang
van na le
ingai to bilo sui lung palo te katan rin nom ring la boy te nang ne kan vul dun don ne alamariga rakok sia daruk chung ka thau chung ka khor ka par puk puk bon ka chuak min lo hu ya par zuk zuk hun la we ka che de pon ta lo ya ru man mo deu ka nai ka ro ji rong pa lai ka tu liu liu do ni chi rong ka thai ni chuan ka ti ka tai ni chuan ka ti soi ro ing po ri ta le na so bi ya ka ri tang ka tin to he ta ka tin to chung ka kia ka chuan na lim to khuli bal bil yang min ring ro ka fing mo ka a chin te kan fe ga mel cha beri loi ka a men ka phun noi lo mat te in dei sung le mo ko fa ke po dan rat se si li ka ti ti ka chi ri ka ti ning te lo va tan chuan si ar la ka in ring bai te tan chau ka ding a si na sui lung ha lo te ka pa na lo zella boy te tu dang ingai to bilo sui lung pa lo te ka ton
vai ho he an in khela tu na hian anom khop mai a background hen nal top ta ni
so la in chebu da so mo do so sigmem so mo do pakala po linda chale che kada si
an nal khop mai a hring nal boxia hring deuh hmul bakamo
Ain't just a face, no, it's a destination, not a silhouette. Paperback, teenage love, we got that original thing. They caught in canvas, chopped, and I'm never gonna wear out. You and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24 karat diamond. No, never ever gonna break it. You and I forever, you and I forever.
Yeah, young and susceptible to peer pressure. I made her mind, it was for sheer pleasure. And I had my guard up, instinct off of fears. Bad luck had my heart in a secured area. But 3 years later, still here with her, in her arms embracing her. Her charming grace stage just permeate my heart. And we be switching gears through ups and downs. We always make it work with the silly ache. We shut the space, but we never stay apart. Hey y'all, what's up y'all? A decade rider with a chick who ride or die for him. I know my baby loves me.
Absolutely adore.
Finish each other's sentences like it ain't annoying and corny. It's the anniversary of two dots and Cupid. The meat in the tool and sink in the heartbeat moment. The two free strings but attached. Never be elusive. We're never gonna lose it. True shit. Confess my love.
luya kan kal do na hey luya luang mo hey po he loading vàng mấy
Sometimes I sit and think about it. Girl, I need your love and I can't live without it. Yeah, I chase the fame and the fortune, a dream about it, think about it. Then you smile and say the things that keep me grounded. Yeah, keep me grounded, support me, promise, keep me mountains. If there ever was a key to my heart, I think we found it. Your smile is my strength, my joy, the reason I'm vowing that I would stand in the rain. Take all the blame, bear all the pain, and never see you frowning. I don't know just what you see in me. When the chips sit down, you stick with me. You believe in me, even though you know it's been a struggle lately. But I'ma make you wait till we be the power couple that the other couples wanna double date with. From the gutter to the upper echelon of moving, you with me doing 250 on the dash of the car with 2 C's. Yeah, I guess the dudes dream of a lose it, and they do come true. I got you to prove it. We grow like 2 trees. The higher we go, the deeper the root. The sweeter the fruit. It's still a slow dance romance to the same cool music.
No, it's a destination, not a silhouette. Paperback, teenage love, we got that original thing. The cutting canvas,
an thu qua te em min lo thir mo